setting, this nice young man, this setting Caesar is called what? Acid-base titration. And I put the base over here, the acid is over here. I put 2 droplets of what? I put 2 droplets of what? Phenolphthalein. I want you to pay attention over here. This one, phenolphthalein, is indicator. Choose basically with an acid is what? Colorless. How about with base? What's going to happen to it? Here it is. All of you pay attention. Let's see if this is nice. All right, here we go. What is it?
Pink.
Pink. So this is now is a base. What do you think is going to happen if I add a couple of droplets of acid?
It's going to change color.
What do you think?
It's going to change color.
All right, let's check that. Remember, I told you I don't want to hear any phone. I already warned you. Okay, here we go. Okay. So what do you think if I add more base titration? What do you think? What's going to happen? Okay. And you were right, my friend. Now it's a base. What do you think if I add 1 droplet of acid?
It's going to turn back to clear.
Okay, here we go. Here. Now it's clear. Science, my friend. Now if I add base to it.
It's pink.
Okay.
Wow.
What do we call the process? What do we call the whole setting? Acid-base titration. Here is the base, here is the acid. And that's the reason we use that chemical here for forensic evidence, as a forensic evidence. So for instance, excuse me, if someone murders someone and clean after themselves, you cannot outsmart science. They take that indicator, splash it on the floor and the windows everywhere, and guess what? They turn on some certain light and the whole room is pink. Because blood basically is a base, like a base. It's alkaline. And that's the reason this one choose with it as pink. And you can see the evidence. Even the criminals say, oh, I cleaned it for 3 days. You cannot outsmart science. All right? Again, for the last time, what do you think if I add an acid here? What do you think is going to happen?
Clear.
Clear. Let's see if Catherine is going to pay attention here. Because this other guy is going to leave. I promise you. All right? What do you think if I add the base again?
It's going to be pink.
And base, consider it as a blood. Blood is alkaline. That's the reason in forensic evidence, they use that to detect blood. Even if you clean whatever you clean, this is what's going to happen. They're going to detect it with that pink color. So more titration is over here.
Can I try that?
You want to try that, smart?
I wanna.
Yeah, I'll let you titrate. No problem.
Can I whip it?
Yeah, all right. At this minute, hold on. That's it. Thank you. Now, again, let's do the titration. I have here sodium hydroxide. So what do you think if I add it? Here, I have the indicator there, phenolphthalein. Here, pink. So what does it mean? Now it's alkaline or base. What do you think happens if I add the acid to it?
Turn back.
What's gonna happen?
It's gonna turn back clear.
Okay. And let's mix it. What do you think?
Nice.
All right. So now what is it? Acidic or basic?
Acidic.
Acidic. What do you think if I add the base?
Pink.
Now it's basic or acidic?
Basic.
And sometimes in the middle, you're gonna get what? Neutralization state. All right, means neither acid, neither base. And if you put one droplet here of the base, it becomes pink. If you put acid, it becomes what? Colorless. You got it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I want you look, all of you look over here. Look at the whiteboard. What do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing.
You don't see anything there?
No.
Come on, guys.
Oh, yeah, look, it's like
The glare.
You see, it's a whiteboard. Do you see anything written on it?
yeah,
What do you see there?
it says,
Chemistry.
Okay, I want you to look over here, all of you, and tell me what you see there.
WE.
I don't know what that is.
What is that word? Happy Halloween, welcome. Welcome. What is it? What do you think? How did that happen?
There's a chemical reaction, you put a chemical and then once it reacted with that one, it
That's true, and the result is pink. Good job, Job. All right, all of you look over here. Are you sure you cannot see anything? Raise your hand if you cannot see anything.
I see a sad face though.
No, raise your hand if you cannot see anything at all. Raise your hand if you can see. What do you see? Do you see what I see?
It says happy Halloween.
That's what she said, what it says? Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to look at the screen over here and tell me if you can see something.
Oh, that's more. What that say?
Is that magic? It's a happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. All right. And guess what? This is science, not magic. It's science, my friends. This is science. Do you know how I did it?
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you know. No, I used the chemical in the beginning. It's called phenolphthalein. All right? This chemical, I'm going to show it to you right now, is basically an indicator. And from the name of it, it tells you an indicator. Means what? Indicates something. All right? Okay, keep an eye on the reaction.